Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Moka. Can I use Moka on both Android and iOS devices? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can use the Moka investing app on both Android and iOS devices. Moka, which is an automated savings and investing app, is designed for accessibility across the most popular mobile platforms. You can download the Moka app directly from the Google Play Store for your Android smartphone or tablet, and from the Apple App Store for your iPhone or iPad. This cross-platform availability ensures that you can manage your roundup investments and check your financial progress whether you prefer an Android device or an Apple device. The core features of the Moka app are consistent across both operating systems, providing a seamless user experience. All you need to do is download the correct version for your device, sign up or log into your account, and you can start or continue your automated investing journey. The ability to use Moka on both systems offers great flexibility, allowing you to monitor your investments no matter which phone or tablet you are using. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.